Hello everyone, welcome to Time Online Classes. Today in this session we are going to discuss set of words and numbers. Set of words or numbers. A very important model for clerical prelims exams. It is important for SBI clerical prelims. It is also important for IBPS clerical prelims. It is also important for RRB, Regional Rural Banks, Office Assistants. For all these three exams as well as RBI assistants and RBI attendants, office attendants, for all these exams for clerical level, this model is very important, and 3 to 5 questions are expected from this area, set of words and numbers. I mean, the question may belongs to a set of words or the question may belongs to a set of numbers. You will be given a 5 words or a 5 numbers, and we are going to apply some operations as per the given conditions. After applying those operations, whatever the answer that we are going to get, that we'll choose it as our answer. Okay, if you solve 1 or 2 questions, you'll get the clear idea what exactly this set of words and set of numbers stands for. Fine, and kindly be ready with your notebook and pen. And this is very important for SBI clerical prelims, IBPS clerical prelims, and for all assistant exams, office assistants. Direction for question 1 to 5. These questions are based on the 5 words given below. Generally, you will be given 5 words. Generally, 99.99% in all exams, they will give only 5 words, and they never given more than 5 or less than 5. Always they used to give 5 words. And this note is also very important. The word formed after performing the given operations. As I told, in each and every question you will be given some operations. Okay, so the word formed after performing the given operations may or may not be a meaningful English word. So don't look at that, the given word after applying these operations, whatever the word we are going to get, that has to be again meaningful word. It need not to be. Okay, may or may not be a meaningful English word. Okay, don't look for the meaningful word. It may or may not be. Okay, let's see what kind of operations will be given. And this, whatever the 5 questions that we are going to discuss here, this is not the exhaustive list. Okay, there can be a more number of operations they may give in the exam, and here are the 5 questions we have taken, important ones. That's it. Okay, first one, if in each word the consonants are replaced with the next letter and the vowels are replaced with previous letters as per the English alphabetical series. So what are the conditions given? Consonants will be replaced with the next letter according to the English alphabet, and the vowels are replaced with the previous letter as per the English alphabetical series. Then how many words thus formed will have at least one vowel? What is the question asked? So after performing these operations, now the question is how many words thus formed will have at least one vowel. So first apply these conditions. In each word, WIG is a word, NIT is a word, ENT is a word, MER is a word, T.I.M.E is a word. So in each word, consonant should be replaced with the next letters. So W is a consonant. So what is the next letter to W according to the English alphabet? X. Fine. Now I is a vowel. If it is a vowel, vowels are replaced with the previous letters. So what is the previous letter to I according to the English alphabet? H. And G is a consonant. So what will be next? H. Because consonants are replaced with the next letters. Consonants are replaced with next letters, and vowels are replaced with the previous letter according to the English alphabet. So do the same. Okay, see, for all this kind of question, if you want to complete in quick time, you have to write the alphabets properly without any mistakes, and you need to write it quickly. Okay, N is a consonant, so next letter O. I is a vowel, previous letter H. T is a consonant, next letter U. E is a vowel, so previous letter D. N is a consonant, so next letter O. T is a consonant, next letter U. M is a consonant, next letter N. E is a vowel, previous letter D. R is a consonant, what is the next letter? S. T is a consonant, next letter U. I is a vowel, previous letter H. M is a consonant, next letter N. So these are the new set of words just formed. These are the new set of words just formed. Now what is the question asked? How many words just formed will have at least one vowel? What do you mean by at least one vowel? Minimum one. At least means minimum. And what is given? At least one. So minimum one vowel in a word. X, H, H, no vowel. There is no such vowel in this word. What about this O, H, U? Yes, there are two vowels, but we require minimum one, so it is satisfying the condition. D, O, U, yes, we have the two vowels, O and U, so even it is also satisfying the condition. N, D, S, there is no such vowel, all these three are consonants, so not satisfying the condition. U, H, N, yes, U is a vowel, so satisfying the condition, because at least one vowel required in the newly formed words. So how many words are there? 3 words. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is 3, but it is in choice 4. So choice 4 is our answer. And in this kind of questions, you need to reduce your time. If they give 5 questions, you should try able to complete it in 2 minutes. So, then you can spend more time on puzzles. Otherwise, clearing the overall cutoff may be a bit difficult. You may clear the section wise, but clearing the overall cutoff may become difficult if you won't save your time here. Question number 2. If the letter S is added as a prefix to each word. Okay. So what are the words we have? WIG, NIT, ENT, MER, TIM. For all these words, S is added as a prefix. Prefix means at the beginning. Suffix means at the end. Okay. Then how many words thus formed are meaningful words? So after adding S as a prefix, how many words thus formed are meaningful words according to the English dictionary? Okay. Now, what is the new word that we get here? Swig. What is the new word that we get here? Snit. What is the new word that we get here? Scent. What is the new word that we get here? Smear. What is the new word that we get here? Sting. Now among these, how many are the meaningful words? Is a swig is a meaningful word? Yes, swig is a meaningful word. Is a snit is a meaningful word? Yes, snit is also meaningful word. Scent, yes, scent is also meaningful word. Smear is not a meaningful word. Sting is also not a meaningful word. How many meaningful words can be formed? So you should be a little bit good at vocabulary to answer this kind of questions. There is no logics. We cannot apply the logics here. You should be aware of vocabulary. You should be good at vocabulary. So how many meaningful words can be formed? 3. So choice 2. I will not be helpful in this kind of questions because here the logic is not applied. Just the logic is adding prefix as a S. After that it is related to vocabulary. Question number 3. If in each word, okay, so we need to consider each and every word. All the letters are arranged in the alphabetical order within the word. Within the word, we have 3 letters, right? In each word, we have 3 letters. So within a word, these letters are arranged in alphabetical order. Now, what is the question asked? Then how many words thus formed will have vowel as a middle letter? So how many words thus formed have a vowel as a middle letter? Okay, let's apply the given operation. You need to arrange them in alphabetical order within a word. So WIG will become GIW, NIT will become INT, ENT will become ENT, it will remain same, MER, EMR, TIM, IMT. Now what is the question asked? Then how many words thus formed will have a vowel as a middle letter? Vowel as a middle letter. So here middle letter is I, it is a vowel. Here the middle letter is N, not a vowel. Middle letter N, not a vowel. Middle letter M, not a vowel. Middle letter is M, not a vowel. So how many words thus formed have a vowel as a middle letter? Only one such word, GIW. Right. So answer is 1, but it is in choice 2. Very simple, right? Yes. In the exam, you can expect this kind of questions. Fourth one, if all the words are arranged in alphabetical order. Now here it is not about the letters. The given words are arranged in the alphabetical order. Then which word is second from the right hand? My dear, if you start writing them in the alphabetical order, definitely it is a time waste. Just focus on the given question. What is the question asked? If all the words are arranged in alphabetical order, then which word is the second from the right hand? Second from the right hand is nothing but when you arrange them in alphabetical order. When you arrange them in alphabetical order, second from the right hand is nothing but second in the reverse alphabetical order. Am I right or wrong? So please think in that way. So just directly identify the word which is second in the reverse alphabetical order according to the letters. W is the first one in the reverse alphabetical order, then followed by T. So T is the second one in the reverse alphabetical order. So here what we will get? T. So what is our answer? Choice 3. Very simple. No need to arrange them in alphabetical order. Don't waste your valuable time. This is how you can save your time. Second from the right hand is nothing but second in the reverse alphabetical order. That's it. Because we are arranging them in alphabetical order. If you are arranging them in the reverse alphabetical order, then the second from the right hand is nothing but second in the alphabetical order. Second in the alphabetical order. But we are arranging them in alphabetical order. So second from the right hand is nothing but second in the reverse alphabetical order. Because we have to start counting from here. In this way we are arranging them in alphabetical order. So when you started counting from this is nothing but reverse alphabetical order. Okay. Please try to apply this kind of logics to complete it in less time. So choice 3 is our answer. Fine. Now, question number 5. How many letters are there in the English alphabetical series? Okay. Between the second letter of third word from the left hand. Okay. Second letter of third word from the left hand. Okay. Please understand the given question. Third word from the left hand. I am writing in a short form. Okay. Next, third letter of the second word from the right hand. Third letter of second word from right hand. Okay. From right hand. Now what is the question asked? How many letters are there in the English alphabetical series between this letter and between this letter, between these two letters, according to the English alphabetical series, how many letters are there? So the important thing is first we should identify what is this letter and what is this letter. What is this letter? Second letter of third word from the left hand. Okay. What is the third word from the left hand? ENT. Left hand is nothing but we should start counting from here. Right hand will be counted from here. Right. Third word from the left hand is ENT. What is the second letter of that word? N. So N. Now come to here. Third letter of second word from the right hand. Right hand means we should start count from here. First word, second word. And what is the third letter of this? R. R. Now what is the question asked? According to the English alphabet, between N and R, how many letters will be there? O, P, Q. How many are there? Just 3 letters. So answer is 3. Choice is 5. This is the meaning of the given question. First we need to identify these two letters, and between these two letters, according to the English alphabetical series, how many letters are there? That is O, P, Q. 3 letters. Right? As we discussed at the beginning, you may be given words or you may be given a numbers also. Okay. Now let's see the next model with the numbers. Directions for questions 6 to 9. These questions are based on the following set of numbers. Okay. Generally they will give you 5 numbers, not more than that, and even not less than that. In almost all the exams they will give you 5 numbers only. Okay. Now what kind of mathematical operations that they are going to apply? Let's see. What is given? If 2 is subtracted from the second digit of each odd number, okay, 2 is subtracted from second digit of each odd number, okay, and 2 is added to the third digit of each even number. So these are the conditions. Then what is the question asked? What is the sum of the digits of the second lowest number thus formed? So ultimately what is important for us? Second lowest number. What is important for us? second lowest number. Second lowest number or the second highest number will be decided as it is a 3-digit number based on the 100 digits only, right? Units, tens, 100. Based on the hundreds digit, we are going to decide which is the second lowest number. Am I correct or not? Right. Now, so just focus on the second lowest number. Okay. And don't forget the conditions. These conditions will be applicable to which numbers? Second digit of each odd number and 2 is added to the third digit of each even number. So first digit, second digit, third digit. Hundreds, tens, unit digit. Clear? It is a hundreds digit position, tens digit and units digit position, or first digit, second digit, third digit. First digit, middle digit, last digit. In so many ways they may call you. Okay, so many ways they may give you. Okay, now here second lowest number, look at here, 4 3 1 9 5. Whether you add 2 to the, whether you are going to subtract 2 from the second digit of each odd number and 2 is added to the third digit of each even number, there will not be change in these numbers, right? There will not be change in the hundreds digit, right? And if you observe these 5 numbers, no 2 digits which are in the hundreds positions are same. So there is no problem. So what is the second lowest number? It is the lowest number 164 and the second lowest number is what? 327. Clear? Now what is the question asked? If 2 is subtracted from the second digit of each odd number, so 327 is the odd number. Okay, and from the second digit, what has to be subtracted? 2 has to be subtracted. So subtract 2. So what I will get? 307. Now what is the question asked? What is the sum of the digits of the second lowest number thus formed? It is the second lowest number. So 3 plus 0 plus 7, that will be equal to 10. So no need to apply the given operations on all the numbers, because here it is talking about the second digit, here it is talking about the third digit, but use based on the first digit of the one of the number, we are going to decide whether it is the highest or second highest or third highest and so on. Okay, as all are different, the first digit positions, so easily you can decide what is the second lowest number. So after identifying that second lowest number, you can apply the given operation. So it is odd number 327. So 2 is subtracted from the second digit. So 2 minus 2, 0. So sum of the digits will be 3 plus 0 plus 7, that is 10. Choice 4. So this is how you can save your time. Remember it. Just focus on the given question. Don't try to do blindly everything. Sometimes it is required, but in most of the cases it may not require. Okay. Seventh one. If the second digit of the highest number is divided by third digit of the lowest number, then what will be the resultant? I already we discussed first digit, second digit, third digit. Now, second digit of the highest number or the lowest number will be decided based on the first digit. So 4 3 1 9 5. So 9. It is the highest number. So what is the second digit of this? 8. The second digit of the highest number is divided by, okay, divided by third digit of the lowest number. What is the lowest number? 164, lowest number. What is the third digit of the given number? 4. So 8 divided by 4. Then what will be the resultant? What is the resultant? 2. So choice 1. Answer is 2, but it is in choice 1. Clear? Question number 8. In each number, all the digits are arranged in ascending order. See, 485 is a number, right? And what are the digits in this number? 485. Now what is the condition? In each number, in each of these numbers, digits are arranged in ascending order within the number. Then which number among the original number will be the highest number after the rearrangement? Okay. So what is given? In each number, all the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number. Okay, do it. So 485. Ascending order, what you will get? 458. Next, 237. here 146. Ascending is nothing but smallest to highest. 983 will become 389. 592 will become 259. Now, what is the question asked? Ascending order within the number, yes, condition is applied. Then, which number among the virginal number? See, they are not asking among these numbers which is the highest number. Okay, which number among the virginal number will be the highest number after the rearrangement? So, after this rearrangement, which is the highest number? Which is the highest number? 458, 237, 146, 389, 259. So 458 is the highest number after the rearrangement. But this number is originally obtained from which number? 485. So what will be my answer? 485. Okay. After applying the given operations, the new numbers formed are 485, 237, 146, 389 and 259, and among these 458 is the highest number. But what is the question asked? Which number among the original number will be the highest number? So 458 is after performing the operations on which number? Which original number? 485. So what will be my answer? 485. I should not choose 458. I have to choose 485 because they are asking for original number. Clear? So choice 3. So be careful what among which numbers they are asking. Last question. How many numbers are there in the given set of numbers? Okay, in which sum of the first and third digits is less than the second digit. Okay, sum of what is given? First and last should be less than second. First and last should be less than second. So we need to check that. How many numbers we have like that? Okay. What is the first number? 485. What is the first? 4. What is the last? 5. Less than. What is the second digit? 8. So 4 plus 5. Is a 9 less than 8? No. So this is not my required one. Okay. 327. First 3, last 7, second 2. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Is the 10 less than 2? No, even it is not required one. 164. First digit is 1 and the last digit is 4 and the second digit is 6. So 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 less than 6 is absolutely right. So this one is the required one. Next, first one is a 9 and the last digit is 3 and the second digit is 8. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Is it 12 less than 8? No. So this is not my required one. No, 592. 592. What is the first digit? 5. What is the last digit? 2. What is the second digit? 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. Is the 7 less than 9? Yes. So 592 is also my required number. So how many numbers are satisfying the given condition? 2 numbers. So answer is 2 and choice is also 2. So this is how this kind of questions will be answered, and this model is very, very important. Either we may get words combination or we may get digit combinations, and whatever the operation that we have applied here, it may not be the exhaustive list. Okay, you should practice more number of sets, then you will be exposed to more number of operations. Clear? That's it for today. Thank you. Have a great day.